Hello to all my dear viewers. We have been dealing with class 9 geography chapter number 4, which is climate, and in my previous video I have dealt about how different seasons are caused and particularly about the winter season. Now in this video we are going to study further about the hot weather season, which is the summer season. So what are the characteristics of this season? That is how a question appears in your exams. So first of all, we need to know that in which months it comes. So duration is from March to May. It starts from the month of March till May. See the position of the earth over here in this diagram. When the earth's position is here, the direct rays of the sun falls on the equator, and since India is above the equator, so by the time the earth globe travels from March position to June position, the heat belt shifts from the equator towards the northern hemisphere, and that is why we get direct heat of the sun in the northern hemisphere where India is, and hence we experience summer season by the time the globe travels from the position of March 21 to June 21. This is the period of the revolution of the earth when we have summers, because we are in the northern hemisphere. Other countries also which are in the northern hemisphere may also experience summer. So from March to May we have summer season, global heat belt shifts, and how do we come to know that the global heat belt is shifting? That we see that from the southern part of India towards the northern part of India, slowly with the months like March, April, May, the heat starts shifting. In the month of March, we find Deccan Plateau, which is in the southern part of India, the temperature increases by 38 degrees. Gradually after 1 month, in the month of April, again the temperature goes to 42 degree in Gujarat and MP, which is again towards the northern part. Then towards the northernmost part of the country, by the month of May, 45 degrees Celsius temperature reaches. So this data shows that the heat belt shifts from south to north. Temperature rises. So when the temperature becomes hot, the temperature is rising. You can see from here what happens, a low pressure area develops. And when a low pressure area develops, especially in the area of the elongated belt of India from Rajasthan to Bihar and then till Chota Nagpur plateau. From west to east, from Rajasthan till Chota Nagpur plateau, a elongated low pressure belt has been created, which invites a lot of gusty winds from the surrounding areas. The winds from the surrounding areas come into this area and they are known as Lu, which is a wind which is very strong, gusty means with great speed it comes, hot and dry winds they are, and they are fatal to human health. Many of them die also when they get caught into a Lu. So these are the characteristics of hot weather season. We have some more characteristics, which is dust storms are experienced in northern part of India, that Lu we were talking about. So that convert into dust storms after few months, after a month, and then it convert into it brings light rainfall and it moderates the temperature of that area, brings cool breeze, but that is only temporary. It is the summer season only, but in between the summer season this characteristics also takes place in northern part of India. When we go to the eastern part of India where West Bengal is there, we find that area experiences Kal Baisakhi. This is a locally named term, which means that during that time there is heavy rainfall and there is hail, violent winds blow, thunderstorms are there. So that phenomena is called Kal Baisakhi. But when we go to Kerala and Karnataka, we find that the people call these strong winds as mango showers, because these winds they help in the early ripening of mangoes. This is all about hot weather season. These are the characteristics of it. If you want, you can write it from here in your notebooks so that you are very well prepared for your exams. And if you have any doubts in understanding part, do write in my comment section. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Let us catch up in the next video with our next topic, which is the onset of the monsoon and retreating monsoon.